there's a big storm up ahead, and apparently they've been talking about it on the radio. So when they get big storms down here, they're used to tornadoes and hurricanes. So if they're talking a big storm, I don't know what exactly that means, but it looks pretty big and ominous up ahead. We'll see how he goes.
This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows.
Well, I didn't quite miss the storm, but at least it wasn't as bad as they predicted. Well, not yet anyway. So far so good. I've only got about another hour left before I finish up for the day. I'm glad to see the end of this one.